Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to do division of integers step by step. First, remember that division is essentially the opposite of multiplication. Integers are whole numbers, including positive numbers like 5, negative numbers like -10, and 0. Understanding how to divide these numbers correctly is a fundamental skill in mathematics. The key to dividing integers lies in two simple rules. First, always divide the absolute values of the numbers, ignoring their signs initially. Then, determine the sign of your answer. If both original integers had the same sign, either both positive or both negative, your answer will be positive. However, if they had different signs, one positive and one negative, your answer will be negative. Let's walk through an example together. Imagine we need to divide -24 by +6. Our first step is to divide the absolute values. 24 divided by 6 equals 4. Now, we consider the signs. One number is negative and the other is positive, meaning they have different signs. Therefore, our final answer will be -4. There are a couple of special cases to remember when dividing integers. Any integer divided by 1 will always be that integer itself. For example, -7 divided by 1 is -7. Also, if you divide 0 by any non-zero integer, the result is always 0. However, it is crucial to remember that division by 0 is mathematically undefined and simply cannot be performed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.